G'day guys. Okay, so we're here making liquid cheese today. Now, thing is with this, I'm gonna just have this in the microwave reheating again. You see that? Look at that. Ooh. Now I'd mukbang this for you guys, but it's stinking hot. Now, in the recipe, I'm just showing you guys what the dealio is with just making this as a base. Now, if you want to spice things up, you can add some Mexican chili powder or some chili powder. You can add some garlic, like powdered garlic, powdered onion. Other thing you can do is, instead of using water, which I've used for this, you can use beer. I used one of my mates, Craig Hill's, one of his home brews in there, and it was fantastic. You got the real hoppiness of the beer, and we actually had it for the Super Bowl party with some wings, and we end up dipping a whole bunch of corn chips and all sorts of stuff in it. So you're not just limited to what I would use it for, which is burger stuff and things like that. You can use it for all sorts of things, guys. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we're going to make some liquid cheese. Here we go. So what you want is half a cup of cold water, 14 grams of sodium citrate. Now I'll give you a link, guys, to where to get that from. And then all you want to do is give that a bit of a stir around, just until that dissolves. And a lot of people laugh at my poxy beater or poxy whisk, but it does the trick for me. Just want to make sure, not sure if you can see, there's still bits in the bottom there. I want to make sure that as much as you can to dissolve before we chuck the cheese in. And then what you want to do is apply some heat. Okay. And then we're going to slowly add the cheese. Now I've got a mix of sharp cheddar and American cheese that I've grated up. American cheddar that I've grated up. And I've also got some provolone, but Gruyere, any one of the good melting cheeses will go good. Just watch with some of the other ones, like some of the American cheddars out there. Red Leicester will it won't actually melt all that well for this purpose. And so we just want to, just on the low heat. I've just got that hot now. Slowly melt that cheese. And stir as you go. A bit of a splash then. I'll fast forward this so you can see the finished product. This will be quite a nice quick one. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that, guys. Look at that. Ew. Now you can add more cheese to that. That's sort of more of a dipping sauce. If you want it to go on burgers and things like that, might want to make it a little bit more thicker. That amount of sodium citrate will, well, it's taken 350 grams of cheese without any worry. So that's basically it, guys. Now, supposedly that'll keep for 2 weeks. Never lasts that long in my house. That's what you're looking for, guys. See that? Look at that. Oh. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, just wanted to say thanks very much for watching. If you can please do us a massive favor, it really helps support us in running these all these little recipes. If you can hit the like and the subscribe button. There's also a little bell down the corner there. If you can click on that, that'll just alert you to when we've got a recipe coming up. So thanks again for watching, and yeah, send any requests that you guys would like in. And say goodbye, Sophie. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thanks a million, guys, for watching again, and we'll see you again shortly. Cheers.